It all started soon after the financial crisis of 2008, when on October 31st, the now famous white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was shared on a cryptography forum by Satoshi Nakamoto as an answer to the shortcomings of the traditional fractional financial system that had led to the crisis. The problem with electronic payments in the past is the risk of the same money being spent twice. This is called double spending. The issue was the inability to verify whether a digital currency has been spent more than once. The only solution that existed up to that point was to have a trusted third-party entity that verified all transactions, like a central bank. But the experience of 2008 had shown that these trusted entities don't always work in the best interest of the people whose money they handled.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.